So straight and direct to the point, this is RUM, okay, RUM. I think this H is silent, RUM. And if you don't know how we got here, kindly use the link showing on the screen right now. It is case sensitive. Where there is small letter, put small letter. Where there is capital letter, put capital letter. So right here, you can see that I have just 4,369 RUM, okay. And if you come here, after this countdown, more RUM tokens will be added. Okay, but before then, you can still earn through tax. If you come to tax right here, you can see a lot of things you can do to earn RUM. For example, I've connected my Ton wallet and I earned 2,000 RUM. I've joined a Telegram channel and I earned 1,000 Ton. I've followed them on X, I've earned 1,000 Ton. Now, very importantly, I will need you to note that if you come to this airdrop and click on airdrop, you will see the criteria for airdrop, for you to participate in the airdrop. You will see tax for participation in airdrop, connect a Ton wallet, and make a Ton transaction. You get, so these are details. You can read this for airdrop. Now, for you to make a Ton transaction or connect a Ton wallet, you can either use Tonkeeper, Bitget wallet, okay, several wallets. Okay, for example, now let me disconnect this and let us do it again. Okay. Yeah, now you can see now that I've disconnected it, and if I click on connect wallet, you can see whether to use Bitget wallet, Tonekeeper, or ToneHub, and the rest of them. Now, before you click on all this stuff, make sure you go and download it first. Now, to download Bitget wallet, you can go to Play Store, App Store, and download it, or Tonekeeper. I believe a lot of us are aware of this. And after downloading it, let me show you an example with my Bitget wallet. This is my Bitget wallet, and I've downloaded and signed up here. After signing up, when you are signing up, it's going to ask you for a passcode and 12 words recovery phrase. Okay, it's going to give you the 12 recovery phrases. Please save those words very well. Save it very well. If you want to locate your 12 words recovery phrases, come to this place, these 3 circles here, and you click on your profile right here. Okay. When you click on it, you will now see view mnemonics. You click on this mnemonics. Okay, it will tell you these phrases are private, blah blah blah, and you click on view mnemonics. Once you click on view mnemonics, it's going to review your 12 words phrase. Okay, you can see that my security, you can see right here that my security is high because I have my 12 words recovery phrases backed up. I also bound my 2-factor authentication. Okay, so make sure you have that done. And then for you to get Ton, when you are done, you can see come to wallet right here to deposit Ton. Now you can see that I have Ton, 1.2 Ton, which is worth about $6.89. How did I get Ton? Yeah, it is not hard. A lot of people have been coming up with these questions over and over again, but this is very simple. When you come here, you have Ton. Under the Ton blockchain, you can see there are several blockchains that if it's in all mainnets, no need, just put it in Ton, because most times it's Ton that we'll be using here. So Ton. And under Ton, you see that you have USDT. You have Ton itself and USDT. Just click on USDT and click on receiving. Okay, and you are going to see an address. Copy it and note that this address is under Ton, USDT Ton blockchain. It's not USDT BEP20, it's not USDT TRC20, but USDT on Ton blockchain. Now go and send USDT. Go to Bybit, buy USDT through P2P and send it to this place using the Ton blockchain. If you send it through USDT TRC20, your coin will disappear. If you don't know how to do it, first of all, please just send $1 or $2 first to do a practical. If you now see it, you can now send more coins. Okay, so that is it. So when you now receive your USDT here, it is simple. Come back and click on what? Thank you, Emmanuel Kende. Thank you for your comments. Come back and click on what? Swap. Okay, and then swap the USDT to Ton. It is not hard. Okay. Yes, so right now I have Ton already. You can see Ton here that I have Ton. I have 1.2 Ton, which is worth about $6.90. So right now I go back and I do what? I click on Bitget wallet because my wallet is now ready. I click on yes, and I click on approve. I'm trying to connect a wallet right now. You can see it has been authorized, and I click on return to wallet. Okay, you can see that my wallet has been connected. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to make a Ton transaction. Now, for you to make a Ton transaction, you need 0.51 Ton, which is worth about $3. Let's say $3 or $3.2, that kind of money. Okay, so make sure you send about, let's say, 4 USDT. Yes, 4 USDT is fine. You're not going to spend up to that. Okay, so yes, or let's say 3.5 USDT. without charges. I mean, when you are creating the USDT before you convert to ton, because 0.5 ton is needed for ton transaction. Okay, so just try to have a little bit above that. Okay, so now I click on what, make a ton transaction, and it's going to ask me what, open wallet. I click on open wallet and I click on yes. Okay, you can see it's 0.502 blah 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 ton. You can see it. So I just click on what, confirm. Okay, now that I've done it, I come back and I wait. And remember that making a ton transaction will also give you 10,000 ROM. Okay, so you see, waiting blockchain, it could take a few minutes. So don't leave this page, just wait for it to roll this way and confirm. You can see it right now that it has checked good. I've made a ton transaction. A wallet can only be connected to one account, so you can stick to this, please. One wallet, one account. Okay, so I come to what, I come back to home. Let me come back to my cookies right here, and let me check if it has been approved. Check again. You can see 10,000 ROM. Okay, I click on what, take. Okay, yes, and let's go back to cookie and see. You can see right now that I have 14,000 ROM right here. Okay, and I've just made a ton transaction. Let us go back to airdrop and let's have a look. You can see it now, approved. You can see it. Okay, airdrop date will be announced soon on our Telegram channel, so make sure you join the Telegram. Okay, yes. Okay, yeah, so please, this is what you do every day, and from here too you can refer your friends. When you refer 3 friends, you can have 1,000 ROM, okay, for yourself, so you can get your referral link from this place. So this is the next airdrop that I recommend. Okay, this is the next airdrop I recommend after, you know, Hamster Kombat is about to list right now. It's going to be out of the way soon, and I recommend you join this one. Okay, this is one of my favorites. Okay, and this is one I'm doing right now. So join ROM. Okay, join it now, join it early, and what, keep earning. Okay, yes, and thank you for watching. From rating right here, from rating you can see your position. You can see it. I am greater than 300. Okay, my rank is quite still not very high right now on this place. Okay, but with time I know I'm going to catch up and get to the top of the list. Okay, so join ROM right now, and let's wait for the next airdrop that is coming. Now, if you're not yet mining Blum, I made previous videos on Blum. Blum is the next dogs, is the next Notcoin. So I recommend you start mining Blum right now. So if you've not done that, I made a video on that, and the link to that video is showing on the screen right now. It can either be here or here. Okay, so you can watch it from there, or you can still find the link to that video in my YouTube video description. Okay, join my Telegram channel. The link to will be in my YouTube video description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.